What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, as you can tell probably by the title and the thumbnail, we got some new equipment. I'm super excited about this. I've seen plenty of other videos on YouTube. Actually, I've only seen one from Alan the Lawn Care Nut, so I don't know anybody else that has this specific piece of equipment, so I might be the second one in the community to get it. Who knows? Sorry for the mess back here. I don't really know if you can see my desk. We are running hot with the landscape company. We got tons of work. We got quotes today. We got soil testing that needs to be done. So somebody commented on my video last week. I think it was Dadding All Day. He said, I love the videos where you're like, I've got lawn work, I've got work to do. Let's go out and make a video. So that's another one of these. I'm thinking 12 minutes here. We're gonna be doing soil testing on our properties, talking about products there, talking about a few companies for that. And then we're gonna be doing something extremely awesome with my new piece of equipment outside. And without further ado, why are we still sitting in here? Let's go outside and give this thing a shot. Ready? Well guys, the secret is out. This is my new 2020 Toro Super Recycler. Matte Black. This is the highest model you can go in the line. It has the personal pace system, the Toro 7.25 horsepower engine with spin stop on it, so I can stop the blades, move sticks and rocks, empty the bagger without having to shut the engine off, an option to side discharge, and many other features to upgrade from my Toro Recycler. Now for those of you guys wondering, I am not getting rid of the Toro Recycler. I'm keeping that for the business, and this is just solely for my yard. So shout out to my dealer. They actually partnered up with me to make this video possible. They were able to cut me a little bit of a deal on this mower in exchange for doing a little bit of video work for them. So if you guys are in Baltimore County, Maryland, Harford County, Maryland, even Anne Arundel County, Maryland, and you're looking for a great Toro Hustler and Steel dealer, Perry Hall Lawn Equipment has got you. I will put all their information in the description down below. Shout out to them. They were able to fill this up with oil, fill it up with gas, get it all ready for me to go so I can come out here and just use it. So shout out to Perry Hall Lawn Equipment. Thank you for making this video possible, and let's cut the grass. Well guys, we are all done the mowing. I actually have a fun little mowing part for the backyard that I want to talk about here real quick. But I'm going to show you the yard, give you a quick pan of how it looks. And yes, right here, all this area here, hold on, let me put my screen in. You see all that light colored stuff? That is Poa trivialis. And I thought I dug up most of it, and sure enough, no Poa, no Poa, no Poa, Poa. So I think we're gonna kill it off with some glyphosate in the fall, take care of it there. But so far, lawn looks really good. If I have a picture from about this time last year, it might even be from that sidewalk over there. I'll put it up on the screen now. But let's go ahead and talk about what the plans for the backyard are. I'm thinking let's pull out the old 21-inch Toro Recycler, and let's bring out the new 21-inch Toro Super Recycler. Remember, that's a 2017 Toro Recycler, and that one over there is a 2020 Super Recycler. So let's grab those, let's go in the backyard, and we'll have a mow off. We'll show you which can mulch best, and we'll cut the grass with both back there. So let's do it. As you can see right here, this is our Toro Recycler. You can see a little bit of tearing at the tip. Obviously the blade probably needs to be sharpened. Here is our Toro Super Recycler, crisp cut, brand new blade, but here's what I found interesting. See how that blade is almost cut a second time? That's because the Toro Super Recycler has double its, hence its name, Super Recycler, so it's gonna recycle those clippings even better than the Toro Recycler. So it actually spins and keeps the blades of grass under the deck longer so I can get a more superior cut, and I could totally see that here. Honestly, the Toro Super Recycler is probably the best mulching mower you can buy for the cost. So I'm gonna finish cutting the grass with the Toro Super Recycler because it's just a nicer mower. Let's do it. Well guys, here is the final result of the yard. I think it looks pretty dang good. That mower is insane. Anyone looking to buy it, totally recommend it. We're gonna have a full review coming on it, as well as way more information next week when I do my 2020 equipment setup video. So we're gonna have plenty more information coming on that mower if you guys are interested, but let's just take a look one more time. Well guys, now that we're done that, we're gonna go ahead and go over to all of our properties that you guys have seen us do our N-Charge RGS applications on. If you've not seen those videos, I'll leave them linked in the top right hand corner as well as linked in the description down below. But we're gonna go ahead and over there and use the My Soil test kits. I'm gonna show those to you guys, and then we're gonna get over to the properties and start our soil test. Let's do it. We pulled the soil samples off of this property here, that property there, and then both their backyards. We probably pulled about 6 or 8 cores. Well guys, the tool we are using to get our soil samples, this is the Pro Plugger planting tool. Shout out to Pro Plugger for sending this out. It is a great tool, and we are using it to collect our soil samples on our properties today. So I have a 5-gallon bucket down here, and inside that bucket, as you can see, are my crushed up soil samples. I'm actually coming through right now, getting the rocks, the pebbles, all that kind of stuff out. Grass, any roots, you know, like stuff like this, you don't really want inside there as it can skew results. We're just moving and pulling all that out. And as you can see, it's a very loamy, sandy soil around here, but nothing we can do about that. And I'm just gonna clean this out, and then we'll move on to showing you guys the next step. Now that we got everything pulverized in this bucket, as you can see right there, we got it pulverized down. We've got most of the little grass clippings and such removed. We're gonna be using the My Soil test kit. So let me grab that here out of the wagon. This is the My Soil test kit. Thank you to My Soil for sending this out. When you open the kit, you have your document to register your kit online. I'm gonna be showing you how to do that. Your package to mail it in, and then register your kit. Let's see here, the information you need right inside, like so. So all you need is to grab the little cup out of the box, come down in your soil bucket that you used, get your soil, make sure you remove any finer bits of roots and grass clippings that you collect in your sample. You know, remove them, pull them out just like so. And here's a close-up of what our soil looks like here. It's just pure clay. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna open this up like so, okay? There's a liquid inside. Do not remove or touch the contents of this container per their packaging. And now you're gonna give it a wiggle, drop your soil down in there, push it down, do what you gotta do to get it in the container. Cap off the lid. And there you go, guys. There is your soil sample right inside this package, okay? Make sure your lid is nice and cranked down tight. Then you're gonna make sure, it says here according to their package, it says register the kit first, but we did this step first. So now you're just gonna slip it into the packaging, okay? You're gonna make sure, check your information, make sure you're reading this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go home and register your kit, or at least I am. Right now, all you have to do, peel back your envelope, fold it over, make sure it's nice and sealed. And now this one, you just need to put your name and address of where it can return to. And this one is ready to go off to the lab. We're gonna show you guys how you do all that work when we get back to the house, the online packaging stuff. See you there. I'm gonna take a minute here and show you how to register your kit. So you're gonna go up onto the mysoiltesting.com, that's their website, you can see it here. You're gonna come up here, register kit/sign in. And then when this loads in, it's gonna open in a new tab. I'm already signed into my account. If you do not have an account, you're gonna have to create one. I'm gonna hit register new kit. Okay, kit registration number. On your slip here, you're gonna see right there, that's your kit registration number. So I'm gonna type that in real fast, MS01053, okay? Lawn and turf, and then re-enter it, so I'll just copy it, Control-C, Control-V, today's date, the lawn size. When you have all your information enter, register kit. Thank you for registering. Please allow 6 to 9 days for your results to be posted. There you have it, guys. Super simple, super easy, and that is how you register your MySoil kit. So we will come back to you in another video, and maybe we will talk about results for these clients. Well, guys, I want to thank you for sticking around and staying to the end of the video. That is much appreciated. We went ahead and showed you the new Toro Matte Black Super Recycler. So I hope you guys enjoyed that mower. We're going to have plenty more content coming in the spring and summer and fall on that unit. So stay tuned. It's an awesome, awesome unit. Other than that, we did some soil testing. I'm going to keep you guys updated when we get some results on the MySoil website. If you have any other questions about the video, please leave them in the box down below. With that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.